Let's do Raising Cane's mukbang. Let's see if it's a bit Chick-fil-A. Sabi ni Jose, mas masarap daw ito kasi sa Chick-fil-A. Tingnan natin kung totoo ang cheesy. It has bread, french fries, and 4 pieces chicken tenders. It also has coleslaw na malamig, tsaka Raising Cane sauce. Ito, ay! May sipa yung sauce, guys. First bite. No. Chick-fil-A still. Go with the sauce, okay? But this alone,
Try
Chick-fil-A.
with the sauce. Try with the sauce.
try with the sauce. Baka magbago pang isip. Tenders with sauce. Still no. Sorry, Raising Cane. I don't know, maybe because my expectations were too high.
Second best. One. It looks good.
I wouldn't say it's good.
It's good?
It's okay.
Is it big?
It's not good. It's okay. That's my answer. I'm sorry, people. I'm sorry. This is just my opinion. Magkakaiba naman tayo ng panlasa. Pero para sa akin, it's okay. Hindi siya good. Baka naman makabawi sa french fries. Ang ganda ng fries nila, guys. So fresh. Okay lang din. This one is okay. Soft and buttery. Sarap.